I first met her, she wore her hair in bangs, and her lips were ruby red. She had a reckless heart, and her mind was full of dread. She drove too fast and loved cocaine, and danced around her childhood pain. I never quite recovered from that love we had. When I heard she passed, it broke me right in half. Oh baby, you might be gone, but I promise you'll live on in my heart and in the sound of the symphony as it tunes up for the crowd. Once went sailing in Sicily and felt myself let go. The collapse came quick beneath those stars as the dolphins leapt by the boat. When I came back, it was all too much. She had brought down my guard. They gave me a gown and shots and pills, and I came down feeling my scars. Oh baby, you might be gone, but I promise you'll live on in my heart and in the sound of the symphony as it tunes up for the crowd. Guess I needed rest and to see the sun, and sometimes it's nice to be erased. Next time I'll be sure to bring my guns and a dove and pearl cage. I once went sailing in Sicily and saw Neptune laughing in the sea. Sometimes the things that break you in two are the ones that bring you peace. Oh baby, you might be gone, but I promise you'll live on in my heart and in the sound of the symphony as it tunes up for the crowd. I once went sailing in Sicily and saw Neptune laughing in the sea. Sometimes the things that break you in two are the ones that bring you peace. Sometimes the things that break you in two are the ones that bring you peace.